after you use whitening strips, your teeth hurt just because your teeth have little pores. Now we're bleaching the pores, and then now there is sensitivity. So that's the only reason that they hurt, is because that bleaching is pretty potent, and once it goes into tooth, it will cause like the tubules in the tooth to get reacted. And then now anytime air hits their tooth, anytime water hits a tooth, is going to be very sensitive. So the best thing to do before you do whiten, especially using the strips, is just take ibuprofen before. Use sensitivity toothpaste at least 2-3 days before and even after. And then if you can, try to get what we call a desensitizer. So we offer it here in the office. It's really just a little bottle, and you could paint it onto all your teeth to prevent that sensitivity. Also, one thing to be careful with is if you do have what we call abfraction. So say if you have a little bit of recession on where that tooth and that root is. So if your roots are showing on any of your teeth, try to avoid those areas, because those areas are going to be the most sensitive whenever you do whiten. So try to not put the whitening on the strips on the actual part where the root is showing. In terms of strips being gentle on the teeth, we do offer one here. It's called Opalescent Go. So it has a different kind of whitening material in it. It only takes 15 minutes, so that way it's not sitting on your tooth as long as like the Crest White strips are, and it'll be just as effective. So depending on what kind of material you're using, if there's one with hydrogen peroxide, there's one with hydrogen peroxide, that one is a lot less sensitive to your teeth, but it does take something that's going to require more time to whiten. So those we usually say for overnight whitening. If you want something within 15 minutes, you're going to have to use the hydrogen peroxide. It will cause sensitivity, but again, just because it's a little more potent, it's less time on your teeth, and that way it's not going to be as sensitive as if you were sleeping with that.